Hello friends, how are you? Welcome in my Expert Lunch channel and in my videos. Today I will teach you how to enable the BitLock in Drive. So without wasting your time, I will start. Suppose I want to enable the BitLocker in K Drive. So we right click on K Drive. Here we see the option of turn on BitLocker. We click here. Here it is show interface BitLocker drive encryption. We tick on this checkbox, use a password to unlock the drive. Here one line mentioned password should contain uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, space and symbol. So you can put your password according to this line. Here I put password. Here you can also mention that only numbers. You can put only numbers in your password without mention the uppercase, lowercase and letters, right? Then I will here mention next checkbox, use my smart card to unlock the drive. You will need to insert your smart card. The smart card pin will be required when you unlock the drive. No, don't need to tick this checkbox. We click here next. Then option mention how do you want to backup your recovery key, because suppose we put here BitLocker in our drive. Suppose we forgot our passwords, so here one backup option mention, you can save your recovery file in your system. Suppose you want to forget your password, so you can recover your password from this recovery file. Okay, so here we can save to a file. We click on save to a file, and here show the mentioned location of this file. So we save here on desktop. Okay, we save here BitLocker recovery keys, because here also mentioned, so we change our location. Put here in F drive user folder. Click on next. Mention encrypt used disk space only, fast and best for new PCs and drive. Click next. New encryption mode. We can also tick here new encryption mode, because we want to uh, encrypt our data. New encryption mode, using encryption mode. Okay, next. Start encrypting. Yes. Here you can see the lock encryption in progress. You can see our K drive data will be encrypted, and here only unlock of BitLocker, because suppose when we restart our PC or we shut down our PC, then again we open our system, uh, open our desktop, so automatically it will show the lock our K drive, right? You can check you are using this method and restart your PC. You will see here the lock over K drive. When you will click here, you will show here pop-up will show enter your password. So you will enter your password and you can unlock your K drive, right? So next method is also without restarting your PC. You can also lock your this K drive. First of all, you open cmd command prompt desktop. Wait, we here open as a run as administrator. We click here run as administrator. Click yes. Then we here type manage dash bd. This manage dash bd is a tool of BitLocker turn on, turn off lock, right? Dash lock. Here we mention dash lock because we want to lock our K drive. Dash lock space K and then colon. Press enter. Here you can see volume K is now locked. Now our K drive is locked. Suppose we want to unlock this K drive, click on this and here show BitLocker K, enter password to unlock this drive. Whatever you set your password, you here type and click unlock. Here you see my drive is unlocked and I can easily access my K drive data. Using this method, you can also lock your K drive. And another method is also, suppose you forgot your password, right? How can we access our data of K drive using recovery file? So I save my in users. Where is users? No, in F drive. Here, user. Here my BitLocker recovery key. I open this file and here mention our recovery key. We copy here, copy from this, Control C, close, right? K drive. Here it is unlock. Suppose first of all we will lock our K drive. Our drive is K is locked. Now we want to open using recovery file. Suppose I forgot my password. Click on more option, enter recovery key and paste here recovery key. Unlock. Now you have see our drive is unlocked and you can access the K drive data. Okay. So and the second method is that first of all you can open CMD as a run as administrator and type here manage -bde space -lock space K because we want to lock our K drive. So here we mention the letter of K drive K and colon. Suppose we don't want to enter again and again whenever we want to lock our K drive. So we open make a new file in txt, open this file and here we type manage -bde -lock K and colon. Okay, Control C. No problem, no need to copy. Okay, you can save here, Control S. Here we change the extension of this file, rename here. Now extension of this file .txt we change bat, enter, click on yes. Whenever we want to lock our K drive now is unlocked, you here see, and we click run as administrator. We open this file, run as administrator, click on yes and you show here, you see our file is locked, our drive is locked, right? So using two methods, using open the CMD and using making the txt file and copy and paste of our command, this manage dash bde space dash lock space k colon, and change the extension of this file dot bat, right? You can see bat, and save. And whenever you want to lock your drive, right click on this file, run as administrator. Yes, automatically lock. So no need to type again and again in cmd. You can use these methods. I hope you will learn how to enable the BitLocker in your drive. Okay, thank you so much.